So when we form a complex ion with this molecule as the ligand and this X as a central metal ion. Okay, I forgot to write the charge. So before, so yeah, let's assume this is X2 plus, and when I have this molecule as a ligand, so it can form. So each molecule can form two coordinate bonds with the central metal ion. So if I make the structure again. Okay, so if I have, so I can write this as H2N, CH2, CH2, NH2. Then I have another one, H2N, CH2, CH2. Okay, just I'll wait a second. Eraser. We have H2N, and then we have CH2, CH2, NH2. Just forgive this, please. This is, I'll try to make it a little better. Okay, so H2N, CH2, CH2, NH2. Again, it is the same molecule, but I'm saying N over, I have to write N over here because it's N that is donating the lone pairs to the X atom. So I have to write N over here. Then I have H2N, CH2, CH2. It's not. I'm sorry about all this, but it's H2N, NH2, H2N, CH2, CH2, and NH2. So as you can see, we have three of these molecules. This molecule, we have three of them over here. One is this, one is this, and one is this. So as you can see, each molecule, this is one entire molecule. Each molecule has donated two lone pairs. One it has donated over here, one it has donated from here. Then this molecule, one has donated from here and one has donated from here. This molecule, one has donated from here and one has donated from here. So each molecule has in total donated two lone pairs of electrons to the central metal ion. And this is a bidentate ligand. It's donating two lone pairs. Each molecule is donating two lone pairs of electrons to the central metal ion. So the H2N CH2 CH2 NH2 molecule is a bidentate ligand. So this is how you can see whether a ligand is monodentate or bidentate. And in the exam papers, they will tell you whether a ligand is monodentate or bidentate, and you will have to draw the structure accordingly. Okay, so we have done these three definitions: ligand, monodentate ligand, and bidentate ligand, and now complex ion. An ion that consists of a central metal ion, in this case X, surrounded by ligands, in this case H2N, CH2, CH2, NH2, bonded to it by coordinate bonds. Just write this exact definition and you'll get the marks. Okay, so shapes of complex ions. So I have been drawing really weird ions right now, so I'm pretty sure you're confused, but let's now focus on the shapes. Okay, so what I drew, so when I drew the Cu2 plus aqueous central metal ion, which is basically square brackets, this is how you write a condensed form of, this is how you write a condensed form of the complex ion. You write Cu H2O in brackets whole 6 2 plus. So this is my complex ion. So I wrote, so this